Today I'm starting something new. That's a video in English. English not my favorite language for sure. I'm not native and stuff like that. My English was not bad in the past, so I traveled a lot. Yeah, part of the business. But I'm retired now, so I lost a little bit experience. Nevertheless, I made some articles and YouTube videos about head cards, modeling, and so on in the past. But more and more, models are asking for English content. They don't understand the German articles and so on. So I decided to do this and try to speak in English. Okay, so we have two different types of head cards or model portfolios and something like that. So the first one I'm calling basic set card. So coming back to my past, I was a photographer for an agency, so I know very well what agencies are asking for. And that's very, very simple. That's something everybody can do. But most of the time, the problem is that they don't look at their websites. Every agency has websites and web pages with description what they want to have in the first step. They don't want to have fashion portfolios or nice looking fashion pictures. That's not what they're asking for. So point one is, every time before you make an application, look at their website. Look what they want to have in the first step. And that's most of the time very simple. It's sometimes it's jeans with a tight t-shirt, sometimes white, sometimes black, sometimes gray, sometimes everything but not black, and so on. So the problem is in this case not that it's complex. The problem is you must have a lot of pictures in your portfolio for different agencies. So you must have something in with a white t-shirt, with a gray t-shirt, and so on. And you must have pictures where you're showing your hands. Why? Yeah, it's about how they are looking. If you are a hand model, maybe. And if the hands are okay or not, and the fingernails and so on, that's the kind of things they want to see. They don't want to see the fashion shoot, for sure. So what you must prepare is this kind of pictures. So that can be, as I said, jeans with a t-shirt. That can be, coming to Polaroids from the past, something with swimwear. That can be something in lingerie, and so on. Important is that they can see your body, so they can realize if it makes sense or not. So the second point is that they want to see your personality, and this is part of the pictures. So maybe a portrait, maybe what's called American cut, and that's it normally. In some cases, they are asking for headshots, so only the head. Why? Beauty photography. Beauty is a headshot most of the time. So it's about makeup and maybe jewelry or whatever, but it's around a small space. And there it's very important, your face, your expression, what you can bring to the viewer, to the people. So that's a key point. So if you have this kind of pictures, that's more than enough for the first step. So I don't know one agency who is asking for more than this kind of picture. Nobody asking for fashion, nobody is asking for whatever, but they are asking for body and personality. That's important. So this is the key point. This is the important point. So if you want to make more, let's go to a kind of model portfolio. In Germany, it's model Mappe. So this is something different. So that's the basics plus. And the plus is most of the time a little bit catalog fashion. That's white background. And what's used for catalogs, and it's something, yeah, maybe in editorial space, and it's more, yeah, let's say complex, more nice for the picture, for the model, and for the photographer as well. But that it's easy to have. That's not must have. Must have is the basics, and that's what you must do if you want to have a good application. And secondly, don't make what we are calling spray and pray. Don't put one set of pictures and then send it to everybody. Look at their website. Maybe they want to have a white t-shirt and a jeans, and to them white t-shirt and jeans. Take them seriously. Otherwise, it's not professional enough. And so that's not a good way. So put it in the right way. So if someone want to have swimwear, take from your portfolio the swimwear pictures, send them the swimwear lingerie, send them the lingerie. So it's very, very important to use the right pictures. Not complex pictures, it's the right pictures. And that's, yeah, what I can say from my personal experience in the last decades. Okay, that was the first video in English, and I hope it's helpful for you.